My name is Ani Tubaji. I'm an assistant professor in economics at Swansea University, and I'm very happy to be part of Wales. My research paradigm is called culture-based development, and this means that I'm a cultural economist who studies the bias that culture creates in our socioeconomic choices on individual and group level. In the sense that culture is our attitudes, and attitudes are the main substance from which our values and our beliefs are structured. So, given the same socioeconomic conditions and socioeconomic choices, because of our different values and our different beliefs, we will choose for ourselves differently, and we will also cooperate in a different manner with the same people under the same conditions. Well, culture penetrates both across space and across time. So, across space, it affects the choices of people through what we call cultural gravity. Migrants will go to different places, being attracted not only by the economic characteristics, but also the cultural milieu of a place, and then how much the cultural milieu incites their cooperation, they will contribute differently with different efficiency. The same people in a different put in a different place. Then across time, in crisis situations such as the pandemic now, but also any other kind of shocks, people will respond to the same shock with a different degree of destabilization. So this will redefine also our cultural differences. Will become different and behave different when there is a shock. And then again, this will make us either closer, cooperating better, or will drive us further apart, and we will be more polarized and less cooperative. And this will have all the implications for the development. Any topic such as altruism, such as cooperation or polarization is important, but one of the main aspects is the digital inclusivity. And this is because this is a new form of creating inequality between people. Some people will value the digital inclusion much less than others. But those who value it more and engage with it much more are engaging with something which is very potent to empower them and to make them the new elites for tomorrow. So there will be people who will be left behind because they haven't engaged emotionally, haven't paid enough attention to this new opportunity. And this is where I'm working very intensively. I have special session at the European Regional Science Association, a big international event. We will have a special issue at region and the journal of ERSA. And yeah, I hope also to make some research about whales. I'm really happy and really grateful that it is exactly the European medal that I am honored with, because this family has made a big difference for Swansea. They have been abolitionists. They have been people who have given equal right to both their male and female hires. They have made big contribution to the mindset and culture of the country and internationally. And I'm also grateful to Wales in general, because what you have behind me is actually an image of the William Gladstone Library, and I'm Bulgarian. And there is a big central street which is named after him, because he really contributed to our freedom movement. So it's like a small way to say big thank you to Wales.